all. This is your Professor Ian. I'm just recording a short video about two issues that have come up. One had to do with the crowdsourcing the research assignment this week, and the other is one of the perusal assignments this week, Transgender Youth, the article. So let me just go through these two things. So one of the assignments is crowdsourcing the research, and basically what I want you to do is read one of the essays in this supplemental essay list, and then summarize and do a little bit of analysis of that essay. This is preparation for your second essay that you're going to write in a few weeks. So one issue is I forgot to make this visible before, so I'm sorry for that. There's just a little button here I have to click to publish things, and I forgot to click it. I meant to, and then I forgot. So I'm sorry for that. Now it's available. If you go there, you'll see a short list. I just have 6 essays here, so you want to choose one of these, summarize it, and then post your summary and analysis of that in the assignment. And if we come down here, there we go. Where is it? Crowdsourcing the research. If we come here, it's just a discussion forum. You'll just post your response. We have already had a couple people respond. Paulina and Ryan have already responded. They've done a great job. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Just a brief summary, brief analysis. The idea here is we're sharing ideas about these essays that you might use for your own second essay. And so you can come to this discussion forum, you can see what these essays are about, so you don't have to necessarily read all 6 essays to make your choice. Plus, it's getting us to do some of this work ahead of time so that when we come to the second essay, perhaps you'll want to write about what you've already started reading, right? You're already getting a leg up on that assignment. So the second thing that came up, I had a number of people email me about one of our reading assignments this week, Transgender Youth. It's an article. So it's a perusal article. So if you open it, as usual, some people have been able to comment with no problem, it looks like. And I have no problem commenting. I'm not sure why some people are having issues with this specific article, but if you are having problems for some reason commenting on, you can't highlight the text, that's what people are telling me, they're unable to highlight the text and then comment. There's a button right here. It says annotate figure. So if you click on that, the other button is annotate text, right? And annotate text lets you highlight the text in the PDF. Annotate figure lets you come down here and just kind of highlight a field. So, you can highlight halfway through a line. So you want to make sure you can highlight whatever you want, right? So if you highlight here, as usual, it takes you to the box on the right, and you can leave comments, and it's part of the usual discussion. Other people will see. So if you are having a problem getting the words to highlight for some reason, and again, I'm not sure why that is. Some people are having a difficulty with this specific article, but if that is the case, you can always use annotate figure. Annotate figure you can also use in case we do any work with graphics and things like that. That's how I've used it before when we did a graphic novel last year, and so we used this feature of perusal to talk about that if you can't highlight the text. But if you're having that difficulty, please do try the annotate figure button. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you're having a great week. If you have any questions or concerns, please do email me or come by my office hours. I'm here right now waiting to talk to you. So anyways, have a good one.